Hold on to your leashes, dogs community. Binance just unleashed a game-changing surprise that's about to send your tokens to the moon. What's up, crypto pups? I've got some tail-wagging news that's going to make you howl with excitement. Remember all that talk about delays in the dogs token launch? Well, get ready to have your minds blown, because this delay is the best thing that could have happened to our furry little friends. Drumroll, please. Dogs is officially launching on Binance. That's right. The world's largest crypto exchange is rolling out the red carpet for our favorite token, and it's happening sooner than you think. From August 23rd to August 26th, Dogs will be strutting its stuff on the Binance Launchpool. This isn't just big news, folks. It's absolutely massive. But wait, it gets even better. Binance isn't just listing dogs. They're showering the community with extra tokens like it's raining kibble. Here's the deal. If you're one of the first 500,000 people to claim your dog's tokens on Binance, you're getting an extra 20,000 tokens. Just like that. And if you're fashionably late to the party? No worries. The next 22 billion tokens claimed will still net you an extra 10,000 dogs. Talk about throwing a bone to the community. Now I know what you're thinking. But what if I've already claimed my tokens elsewhere? Well, my friends, it's time to teach an old dog new tricks. You can actually switch your claiming address to Binance and still get in on this juicy offer. And trust me, with the potential this listing has, you're going to want every extra token you can get your paws on. Let's talk numbers for a second. Over 8 million people have already claimed their tokens. That's a lot of dogs running around. But with this Binance news, we're expecting that number to skyrocket. The official token generation event and listing is now set for August 26th at 12 p.m. UTC. Mark your calendars, set your alarms, and maybe hire a professional dog walker for the day because you're not going to want to miss this. Now, I've seen some rumors floating around about the listing price. Some folks are barking about a potential rate of 0.0065, but let's not count our puppies before they're born. The market is going to decide the price, and with a Binance listing, all bets are off. We could be looking at some serious gains here, folks, but let's talk strategy for a moment. Remember, in the crypto world, even the best trained dogs can be unpredictable. So here's a pro tip. When the listing hits, consider taking profits on about 50% of your holdings. Lock in those gains. But don't sell the whole litter. Keep the other half. Because if history teaches us anything, it's that prices often dip after an initial listing before climbing to new heights. Play it smart, and you could be fetching some serious returns. All right, now for the nitty-gritty. How do you actually claim your dogs on Binance? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step guide that's easier than teaching a puppy to sit. 1. Open your Binance app and head to the wallet section. 2. Click on Spot, then hit the search icon. 3. Type in dogs and look for that claim button. 4. Click on Deposit Crypto and select the TON network. 5. Copy both the address and memo. You'll need these. 6. Now open up your Dogs app. 7. If you've already claimed elsewhere, click on your current exchange and choose Change Exchange. 8. Scroll down, hit Continue, and select Binance. 9. Paste in that address and memo you copied earlier. 10. Hit Send and voila! You're now set to claim on Binance. Remember, if you don't have a Binance account yet, now's the time to sign up. You can usually complete KYC in about a day, so you've still got time to join the party. Now let's address the elephant, or should I say, the big dog, in the room. Some of you might be wondering why all the fuss about Binance. Well, my friends, this is like your local dog show champion suddenly being invited to Westminster. Binance is the big leagues, and this listing is going to put dogs in front of millions of new eyes. We're talking increased liquidity, higher trading volumes, and the kind of exposure that most tokens can only dream of. But here's the real secret sauce. This Binance listing isn't just about short-term gains. It's about legitimacy. It's about proving that dogs isn't just another meme token, but a serious player in the crypto world. This is our ticket to the show, folks, and it's time to shine. So what's next for the dogs community? Well, the sky's the limit. With Binance backing us, who knows what kind of tricks we'll learn next? Maybe we'll see dogs being used for real-world transactions, or perhaps some innovative DeFi applications. The possibilities are as endless as a game of fetch with an energetic pup. In the meantime, stay vigilant, my friends. The crypto world can be as unpredictable as a chihuahua in a thunderstorm. Keep your eyes on the official channels. Don't fall for any scams. And trust me, they'll be out in force with news this big. And remember, we're all in this together. The dogs community has always been our strongest asset, and that's not changing anytime soon. So there you have it, folks. Dogs is heading to Binance, extra tokens are up for grabs, and the future's looking brighter than a freshly polished dog tag. Whether you're a longtime hodler or new to the pack, now's the time to get excited. Spread the word, get your claiming strategy ready, and let's show the crypto world what happens when you let the dogs out. Remember, in the world of crypto, every dog has its day. And for Dogs Token, that day is coming on August 26th. So strap in, hold on tight, and get ready for a ride that's going to make your tail spin. Now, before I go, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members: Muhammad Albada Moyikaura, Inoxen001, Marinavitube, Okemdi Chiamamezi, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edit, Engur Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Sazan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ekene Akuosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwale Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Ekwume Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithemia, Dotunayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifadigbo Chukwe Bukanduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canaresio, Muhammad Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihamadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleviths and Wealth, Ruth Ekanem, Raida Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Maller, Sir Wills, Misbaudin Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chidozi Masirionia. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. This is our moment, Dogs community. Let's make it count. See you soon. Oh, and by the way, join our Telegram group. Link is in the description. I'm giving away 50% of my Dogs tokens to the community.